Number 84, we are working on doing slurring 3 notes on the same bow. So in 84, we are back to our 3/4, 3 beats per measure, so that it's nice and even for our fingers. And we are in A major, so all of our fingers are on the tapes. So it's pretty similar to doing slur 2 now that you have that under your fingers, under your bow. So let's do just A, B, C, C, B, A. Doing that with our bow, it was slurring 3. So A, B, C, C, B, A. Again. So our bow is lasting for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And our fingers are doing the work for us. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's pluck out numbers 84 first. 1, ready, go. A, B, C, C, B, A. B, C, D, D, C, B. B, C, D, C, B, C. A, B, C, A. I figured we were going to go up to the 4th finger, but we didn't. All right, let's play it. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3.